Meaning of elector.
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 Elector. The term elector refers to a person who has the right to vote in an election. More specifically, it usually refers to a member of the Electoral College in the United States. The electors are responsible for casting their votes for the President and Vice President of the United States based on the popular vote in their respective states. Each state has a certain number of electors based on its population. The candidate who receives a majority of the electoral votes becomes the President of the United States.